I don't think y'all seeing this like I'm seeing this right now. This fantasy rainbow, I am really feeling this. And I'm not the person to experiment, but wait until y'all see how I did this look.
That's my shit, that's my way. Do it like that and I'll repeat. Don't be scared, I ain't afraid. Just like that, come my way. This is my shit, that's my way. Do it like that.
Hey y'all, this is your girl KiDyeKi, and I'm back with another video. I wanted to show y'all how I got this look, how I got this rainbow type fantasy look. I'm feeling the vibe, I'm loving the colors, and I just want to give y'all something nice, something a little artistic, show y'all my artistic side. Honestly, I didn't know what I was doing, but halfway into this, like, it started coming together. I feel like that's the story for a lot of people, so that's gonna be my story as well. I could do a little talk through to the video, but I'm gonna let y'all know that takes a special talent to talk and then slay at the same time. I said too much already. We're gonna go ahead and hop into this video. Okay, go ahead and hit the notification bell. If you're seeing me for the first time, hey, you can become one of the charms, a part of the charms family by hitting subscribe. Okay, I done said too much. So we're hopping out the gate with the Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. Besides the name being lit, this foundation is a go-to for me to use it paired with my concealer. When I tell you my makeup lasts all day, like I can go swimming, I can run track, I can go hoop, and it still be there like a good man. But that's another story for a different day. So going into my foundation that I use for my overall face, that's going to be the spicy brown I have here. And this foundation is the absolute best match for my skin tone. I haven't found any other product that matches me more than this drugstore foundation. So I'm literally blending that into my face with my hand. I know a lot of people use their brushes, but for some reason, your girl was anti-brushes for a good portion of this video. Sometimes when I do my makeup, I will use my brushes, or most of the time, but I was just doing something different, trying to see the difference between using my hand or with brushes. So that's the reason for that. Next up, we have my concealer, and this is by LA Girl, and I usually apply that in all my highlighted areas. There's really nothing special about this concealer. It's just a really good price, and that's why I use it. There are better concealers out there, but this is kind of my go-to when it comes to price and what it actually does for me. So the next product I have is the medium deep FitMe loose powder. I typically use this just to set my makeup and make it last. My skin is usually oilier, so adding the powder helps it have more long wear. So I don't know about any of y'all, but when it comes to doing makeup, you always have to check in a mirror just to make sure you know exactly what you're doing. And often throughout the process, I always check so I can examine my face. So if you see me like looking seriously into either the camera or the mirror, that's because of that. So right now I'm trying to show you the difference between the deep and the medium deep and the deep version of the loose powder. The deep is what I use to bronze my face, so I can get that nice golden brown that y'all all love, because girl, brown skin looks so good, especially when it's all bronzy, so I go ham with that bronzer, okay? So that's what you're gonna see me doing. And I'm basically doing a number 3 on the side of my face. I don't know if y'all familiar with contouring, but I'm literally making a big 3. Comment down below if you know exactly what I mean when I say talk about contouring the 3. But that's a method I've been using for a long time, and for my face shape, that looks really good. So right here is the moment I made the mistake. So this milk pencil is good to apply when you're using powder or pigment so you can make it pop, but later on in the video I'm going to show you exactly what I'm talking about. So right here I'm going to go ahead and apply like a reddish burgundy type eyeshadow. It's off of like a no-name palette. If I can find the name, I will definitely put it down below because it has a lot of colors, especially for beginners. But I just use this to cut the crease on my eye. Next up, I'm using this color from my Juvias Place palette, and those colors are so pigmented. I'm using this right now to go over that brick light color to cut my crease even further. Okay, so this is why I messed up. So I applied the white pencil, then I went back over with the purple pencil, and because it was a pencil and not a pigment, it didn't pop like it should have. Like, that purple is so vibrant, but when I put it on top of that white, even this blue color I'm using from my Malani jumbo pencils, those are bomb. If you don't have those, you need to go out to your drugstore and buy them all. Those are so bomb. But putting that on top of that white really didn't do it justice because it's not making the color pop more like I thought it was. But at the end of the day, it's all a trial and error, so it is what it is.
That's good.
So right here, I have the third golden Malani pencil, and I'm just applying that to my inner corner just to add that little pop of color that I like. So you're about to see me go ahead and use the highlighter from Sephora. I got that highlighter, or it's basically an eyeshadow that I use as a highlighter. But when I tell you that makes my makeup looks pop, it makes them pop. So I really like that highlighter. So this green color, I'm gonna go ahead and use that close to my inner corner, and I'm gonna blend that in with the blue on my eyelid. So basically you're gonna see me going back and forth between the blues, the greens, the purples, and really making everything pop so I can bring out the color in this look. So in my crease, I will go ahead and use that hot pink from that no-name palette I told you about earlier that I'm gonna put down in the description. So that hot pink, I'm using that just to bring out my crease. And right now you're seeing me struggle with this eyeliner. This is a beginner-friendly eyeliner. It's kind of like a gel liner that you can just tap on. So a lot of my newbies out there, that's something I would definitely recommend. I'm using this because I don't have my professional eyeliner, but I was just like, let me go ahead and bring this out so I can show people how to use this. So basically everything that I did to my eyelid, I'm doing it to my lower lash line. So in this video, I'm gonna apply my eyelashes and my eyeliner off camera, and I'm gonna add a little bit of contour and highlighter to this look, and basically I'm done, girl. And I'm back. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you're not already, become a part of the charm family, because every key needs what? It's charms. So go ahead and become a part of the charm family so you can get these major keys, you feel me, from your girl KiDyeKi herself. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, because that is my only social media platform besides YouTube. If you would like to see some videos in the future, or you just want to, you know, see something or talk to me, message me, put it in the comment section below. I check all my comments, and it was good speaking with y'all, and y'all have a good day. Bye.
That's my